Hi there, tired of back pain after long hours at your desk? On Best Product, we know how important comfort is, and today we are talking about the best ergonomic office chair that can truly change the way you work. This ergonomic office chair is built for support, flexibility, and long-lasting comfort. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Capote OC017 ergonomic office chair, you can tell it was designed with serious desk workers in mind. Whether you are working from home or in a busy office, this chair is made to keep you comfortable through long sessions. It is built to fit people from 5 foot 5 inches to 6 foot 2 inches tall, so it supports a wide range of users without feeling too small or too large. One of the standout features of the Capote OC017 ergonomic office chair is its micro-adjustable lumbar support. You get up to 2 inches of movement across 8 different levels. That means you can fine-tune the position to match the natural curve of your lower back. It specifically supports the L1 to L5 area of your spine, which helps reduce lower back pressure by up to 50%. When your lower back feels supported, you naturally sit better and feel less tired at the end of the day. The seat cushion is also thoughtfully designed. It is enlarged for better support and made from Aerovith mesh. This breathable mesh allows air to flow through, so you stay cooler even during long work hours. At the same time, it spreads your weight more evenly to reduce pressure around the hips and pelvis. That means less discomfort and fewer adjustments throughout the day. Durability is another strong point. The chair is certified with BIFMA X5-1, which speaks to its strength and stability. The base includes a leak-proof SGS gas lift and a sturdy stainless steel frame. Together, they support up to 400 pounds while keeping height adjustments smooth and secure. You can raise or lower the chair with confidence, knowing it will stay stable. The armrests are wide and softly padded for extra comfort. They can flip up to 90 degrees, which is great if you want to slide the chair neatly under your desk and save space. The silent PU wheels glide smoothly across different floor types without scratching or making noise, so you can move around your workspace easily and quietly. Adjustability does not stop there. The headrest can be adjusted in both height and depth, giving your head and neck the support they need. The backrest can lock at 90 degrees, 110 degrees, or 125 degrees. Whether you are focused on typing, attending meetings, or leaning back to think, you can find the angle that feels just right. Putting the Capote OC017 ergonomic office chair together is simple and usually takes about 30 minutes. It also comes with a 60-month warranty and free part replacements if needed. Capote even provides customer support that responds within 24 hours, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. Your comfort matters more than you think. Check the price link in the description and see if this chair is the upgrade your workspace needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart picks that make life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.